Hey there, in this video I'm going to share with you the cons of buying of the Xiaomi S10 Plus. First I will show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and you can see it's cleaning like pretty well, and it's like design is good. So just want to show you this, and it's gone. And now when we are going to look here on the cons, so we can see that it got the height and clearance issues. So its height can prevent from cleaning under lower furniture, such as beds with less than 10 centimeter clearance. So just be aware of this thing and check the dimensions. Limited mopping near edges. The mopping function doesn't clean close to walls or tight corners effectively. Emptying are not available in this model. Also, small water tank. The water receiver is small, requiring frequent refills for larger areas for intensive cleaning sessions, and there is no option for mopping only. So these are the things that I want to share, is that yes, navigates obstacles and different floor levels, multi-floor mapping, effective, cleaning well. Just be aware of these cons that I want to just quickly make video for, and have a great day and goodbye.